The trade war between the two of the world's biggest economies continues to escalate. In the latest, China has reportedly told its airlines to stop taking deliveries of jets from American aviation giant Boeing. Reports say that Beijing has also told its carriers to suspend purchases of aircraft-related equipment and parts from U.S. companies. Chinese Foreign Ministry issued a statement saying that it will trade more with friendly countries and become a stronger magnet for investment.
In the
face of external uncertainties, China will insist on joining hands rather than throwing punches, tearing down walls instead of building barriers, connecting instead of decoupling. We will continue to expand the circle of trade friends, become a stronger magnet for investment, develop with high quality and open to the outside world at a high level to inject more stability and positive energy into the world economy.
Asian markets closed higher on Monday after U.S. President Donald Trump's hints at potential auto tariff changes lifted investor sentiment following last week's sharp sell-off. However, Chinese exporters are hit by frozen U.S. orders amid the tariff spat.
Right now, it's not just a matter of changing tracks. It's a matter of life or death. You could say that. Around 60 to 70% of our business comes from U.S. clients. So the pressure we're under is extremely high.
European shares also rose on Monday as fast-easing U.S. tariff plans boosted investment sentiment. The auto and parts index climbed 2.2%, leading the broader stock gain after U.S. President Donald Trump said that he was considering a modification to the 25% tariff imposed on foreign auto and auto parts imports from Mexico, Canada, and other countries.
Since Donald Trump took office, volatility has returned to the stock market. The markets are hanging on his every word, so things remain volatile and exciting. Ultimately, nobody knows what will happen next. It is an erratic trade policy, and the stock markets are fundamentally unsettled.
China's President Xi Jinping urged Vietnam to join forces in upholding free trade before wrapping up a visit to Hanoi, which President Donald Trump said was aiming to, quote-unquote, screw the United States. Xi visited Vietnam as part of a Southeast Asian tour that will include Malaysia and Cambodia, with Beijing trying to position itself as a stable alternative to President Trump as leaders confront U.S. tariffs. U.S. and China are locked in a trade battle, with U.S. now charging levies of up to 145% on imports from China. Beijing has rejected frivolously to what it calls unlawful bullying by Washington and has imposed retaliatory duties of 125% on U.S. imports, dismissing further hikes as being pointless. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.